Hi, I'm Peter the Pellet, or Nerdle. Doesn't have the same ring to it, but people call me lots of things. I am so small. Some people don't even know I exist. I can't wait to be an actual, useful item to the world. My mom was a toothbrush, and my dad was a bottle cap. I want to be a car part. Can you believe that? Me, a 5mm pellet, part of a dashboard, riding for miles and miles, seeing the world. Whoa! Wait! What's happening? Oh no! Grandma Pippa, who was a pair of plastic-framed glasses, told me this story once before about all the pellets that get lost in the environment, never to be found again. No! 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 I gotta get out of here. I need to get back to the factory, or I'll never become a car part. Whoa! Ah! Where am I? Grab on, dude. You're floating free in the Humber River, my little friend. What do you mean? I was destined to be a car part. I can't be floating down a river because I got a job to do. I need to get back to the factory. Dude, I don't know what to tell you, but the only thing we're destined for now is Lake Ontario. If you're lucky, you'll be sifted out in one of them beach cleanups and stored in a jar. What was that? The lake monster. Every day, a new piece of plastic waste bulks it up. It knows about the leak in the factory and travels upstream because it's hungry for pellets like you and me.
One fragment, one fork. Hey, look, I told you we'd find one today.
What do you think this pellet was supposed to be made into?
I don't know, but now it could be anything. Maybe the star of a short movie?
That would be so cute. Okay, now where were we?
Oh yeah, did you get that one fragment written down?
Yep.
We also have 2 wrappers, and is this a cigarette butt?
Yeah, let's count that. Ooh, here's another.
Ah, another pellet?
Yep, this one's blue.
Well, that's a really pretty shade.
3 more pellets. 3 straws.
Okay, noted. All right, I think we're done.
Okay, see you tomorrow at Pier 6.
I wonder how many pellets we'll find next.